Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about class 8 practical geometry. Earlier you know about the construction of a triangle. For that, three elements needed. You know a triangle have three sides, three angles. Out of the six elements, we need minimum three elements. Similarly, in practical geometry of class 8, we will learn about the construction of a quadrilateral. Okay, maybe parallelogram, maybe rhombus, maybe square. Okay, so for this we know a quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure. So quadrilateral have four sides and four angles. That is, eight elements are there. So for construction of quadrilateral, we need minimum five elements. Okay, and also we should remember one thing: for construction of quadrilateral, we need some procedures. We can take any values or any elements from the eight elements, that is four side and four angle. So let us discuss the process. First process is when four sides and one diagonal value is given, then we will able to construct any type of quadrilateral. Second is two diagonals and three sides value is given. Then third is two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Fourth is three sides and two included angles are given. Next, fifth process is other special properties. Special properties we already know. A rectangle, suppose you will tell it's a special, and also square, rhombus, it's a special properties we know in the previous chapter. So let us start the first process, four sides and one diagonal. Now we will discuss the first process, that is when four sides and one diagonal value is given, how to construct quadrilateral using four sides and one diagonal. Before that, one main point we should remember. Suppose one question is given about construction of quadrilateral. We should first write the first point is write the given data as, second point rough diagram, third point is final diagram, and fourth option or fourth point is conclusion. Okay, then let us start with the one example. So first example we will discuss when suppose given PQRS is a quadrilateral where PQ is 4 centimeter, PS equal to 5.5 centimeter, SR is given 5 centimeter, QR is given 6 centimeter, and one diagonal PR is given 7 centimeter. Then how will construct the quadrilateral PQRS? For that, first we have to take a line. Okay, line. Then take a point P. Okay, and through compass will measure 7 centimeter, and keeping compass tip at point P will cut PR, that is 7 centimeter. First point. Okay, second step we will do PQ. Will by measuring through compass and keep the compass tip at point P and draw the arc. Then RQ, that is 6 centimeter. We will keep the measure through compass and keep the compass tip at R, cut it, it will meet at a point, name that intersection point, that is Q, then they intersect at point Q, then we will join P to Q and R to Q. Next step, we will take the measure of PS, that is 5.5 centimeter, and keep the compass tip at P and cut it downwards. And again we will measure RS, that is 5.15 centimeter, and keep the compass tip at R. Then cut it. They will meet at they will intersect at a point S. Then we will join P to S and R to S. Then this is the PQRS quadrilateral using four sides and one diagonals. Okay. Let us discuss some questions related to this process one, that is given four sides and one diagonal given. So first question is given. We saw that 5 measurements of a quadrilateral can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. Do you think any 5 measurements of the quadrilateral can do this? No. We know for construction of quadrilateral 5 processes, and if you take any 5 elements for construction of quadrilateral, then we'll never able to construct the quadrilateral. First question is no, it's not possible. Second question is given. Can you draw a parallelogram base where BA 5 cm, 86 cm and AS is equal to 6.5 cm? So we know we have to first write down the given data. Second step is you have to write down the rough diagram of parallelogram. Okay, suppose this is the parallelogram. Base BA TS. Okay, here what data are given? BA 5 centimeter, then AT is equal to 6 centimeter, and AS one diagonal is given, that is 6.5 centimeter. Clear? So according to the process number 1, 4 sides, 1 diagonal required. And fifth process we also had written that when special properties are given. Okay, special properties, this is also include a special properties, because parallelogram we know opposite sides are equal in nature. So suppose BA is 5 centimeter, then ST is also 5 centimeter. And AT is 6 centimeter, then BS is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so now first process is fulfilled, that is 4 sides, 1 diagonal given. So we'll proceed for construction of final diagram. First we'll draw the diagonal at the base, that is AS. Okay, so A will take a point, that is A, and measure 6.5 centimeter and keep the compass tip at A and cut it as AS, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, then we know ST is 5 centimeter. So ST, suppose we will take S here, keep the compass tip at S, and before we measure A T, so no, not ST, ST is 5 centimeter. So we keep at compass tip points S and cut an arc. Then AT 6 centimeter, we measure and keep the compass tip at point A and cut it. They will intersect at a point, that is T. Then next is we have to join T to A and T to S. Okay. So next is SB. SB is 6 centimeter. So after measuring through compass, we will keep the compass tip at S and cut an arc at the below of S. Then similarly, we will take a B. Okay, a B 5 centimeter. So after measuring through compass, we will keep the compass tip at point A and cut it. They will intersect at a point that is A. A B. Then we will join A to B and B to S. Now BAT is the required special parallelogram. Okay. Next question we'll discuss which is related to rhombus. Okay. So now we'll discuss another question. The question is given: can you draw a rhombus G where ZE equal to 3.5 centimeter and diagonal EL equal to 5 centimeter? And also another part of the question, where means how will construct only two data are given, but first processes 4 sides and 1 diagonal is required. Here only one side and one diagonal value given. So this is also a special properties. You know, the rhombus means the parallelogram whose all sides are equal in measure. Okay, so in rhombus all sides are equal. So we'll represent a diagram. Okay, we'll see this. Suppose ZEAL is a rhombus. Here given ZE, one side given 3.5 centimeter. As it's a special properties, its all sides are equal in measure. So we'll take all other sides as 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. And the diagonal EL is given 5 centimeter. Okay, so we'll construct the rhombus using this data. So same process we will do by taking a line, and through that line we'll construct first the diagonal, that is LE. So let us take a point that is L and we'll measure through compass, that is LE 5 centimeter. That is LE 5 centimeter. After that, what we'll do? We'll take the sides. Suppose we'll take LA 3.5 centimeter cut from point L, and again EA also 3.5 centimeter, keeping compass tip at E. We'll cut another arc. They will intersect at a point A. Next step, we'll join A to L and A to E. Similarly, we'll take a LZ 3.5 centimeter and keeping compass tip at L, we'll draw one arc at the down point, and also EZ 3.5 centimeter, keeping compass tip at E, will cut. They will intersect at a point that is Z. Now we'll join L to Z and L to E to Z. So now we got G is a rhombus. Okay, with all sides 3.5 centimeter. This is the third question. Next question we will discuss, and next question is given: a student attempts to draw a quadrilateral plane where PL equal to 3 centimeter, LA equal to 4 centimeter, AY equal to 4.5 centimeter, PY equal to 2 centimeter, and LY equal to 6 centimeter, but could not draw it. What is the reason? In this question, all four sides are given, okay, and ly is given. A diagonal ly is given, that is 6 centimeter, okay, and one question mark is given for you, that is why it's not possible to construct the quadrilateral. What is the reason behind it? Suppose we see PLY is a triangle, another LALY another triangle, okay. So what's the value? We know side sum property. What is side sum property? We know the side sum property says sum of any two side, sum of two side, any two adjacent side is always greater than the third side. So we'll see in PLY triangle 3 plus 2 5 centimeter is less than 6. In triangle PLY was given PL plus PY, that is 3 plus 2 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter, which is less than, and YL is given 6 centimeter. So sum of these two, PL plus PY, is less than YZ. But according to side sum property, we know PL plus PY should be greater than YZ, which deviates. Okay, this is not following the side sum property. That's why we will never able to construct the quadrilateral PLAY. Okay, clear? So next we'll go to the exercise and we'll discuss some of the special features given on them. So some among the special feature, one question is draw a parallelogram more. Draw a parallelogram more. So more is a parallelogram where two adjacent sides is given over 6 centimeter and R equal to 4.5 centimeter and OE diagonal given 7.5 centimeter. As earlier we discussed one special. Here the given more is a parallelogram whose adjacent sides OR is given 6 centimeter and RE 4.5 centimeter. One diagonal is given, that is OE 7.5 centimeter. As this is a special property or special feature, a parallelogram has opposite sides equal, so we can write the MO is also 4.5 centimeter and ME also equal to 6 centimeter, and we can construct using the same procedure, that is 4 sides, 1 diagonal given. Another question is given when a rhombus whose one side is given and one diagonal given, how will construct the rhombus? Here we also discussed the same process, that is BA. So here BEST is the rhombus and one side value given 4.5 centimeter. ET diagonal is given 6 centimeter. We know all sides of rhombus are equal, so we will write all sides 4.5 centimeter and BT also 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now we got according to the first process 4 sides value and one diagonal value. Using this process or properties will construct the rhombus based. Okay, now I will give some questions which you can prepare of yourself at home. Okay, the first question I am telling you, that is a quadrilateral jump. Jump. Similarly, I am giving you two questions for you. You can also solve it. First, so let us discuss one question. A quadrilateral jump where Ju equal to given 3.5 centimeter, Um equal to 4 centimeter, and MP equal to 5 centimeter. Then Pj equal to 4.5 centimeter and Pu equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Then next question is here quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD, what is given for ABCD? That is AB equal to 4.5 centimeter and BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter. So these are related to the first process, that is 4 side and 1 diagonal. So you can solve these questions of yourself using this process, and for today this is enough, and for the next videos you have to like and subscribe my channel, that is Sahu Education. Thank you.